After the Samajwadi Party Supremo Mulayam Singh Yadav made his third front pitch stronger in yesterday's mega rally that was held in Azamgarh, all eyes are now on the convention that is to be hosted by the Left Party in New Delhi. Around 9 parties, including the NCP, will be attending the meet and will be discussing the possibility of stitching up a third front.
तीसरा मोर्चा चुनाव से पहले नहीं बनता है, याद रखना चुनाव के बाद बनेगा। हालांकि लोग जो कल मीटिंग हो रही है, जो कांग्रेस विरोधी और बीजेपी विरोधी से मिलकर के मीटिंग हो रही है, तो सीपीएम सीपीआई फॉर्मूला का आरएसपी और ये जनता दल यूनाइटेड और समाजवादी पार्टी 6 का तो फैसला हो गया है, कल की मीटिंग में जाएंगी।
जिसने कभी न झुकना सीखा।
Mulayam Singh Yadav making his third front pitch stronger than before in this show of strength in Azamgarh.
6 months before the general elections, regional players under the umbrella of the Third Front have started flirting with each other. Come Wednesday, parties like the Samajwadi Party, AIADMK and the Left will gather in New Delhi and sit to devise a strategy to stitch a non-Congress, non-BJP alliance.
An invitation by the Left to 9 like-minded parties aims at stitching an alternative front. And an interesting participant could be Sharad Pawar's NCP, which just yesterday confirmed they would go with the Congress.
Even Mr. Prakash Karat has written in his article that this convention has nothing to do about third front or any political alternative. As far as NCP is concerned, we have never believed in third front. We always believe in first front.
Some of them are available, some of them are coming, some of them are not coming. It all depends.
Not yet confirmation.
So we'll, you may find some surprises up there.
But will there be any surprises? As regional satraps keep their cards open, all eyes will be on which way this man's party goes.
असं आहे की समाजकारणामध्ये राजकारणामध्ये अस्पृश्यता कधी बांधता कामा नये. विचाराच्या चर्चेच्यासाठी देवाणघेवाणीसाठी ठीक आहे, मतभेद असतील म्हणजे निवडणुकीला वेळ आले तर कशी त्याचा समाचार घ्यायचा तो ते ठरवतील, आम्ही ठरवू.
Also watching the developments closely will be Mamta's Trinamool, which has made no bones about its own federal front plans.
The joke of the millennium, that being the #1 communal party in the world, they have called a anti-communal conference.
At a time when the country's 2 main political parties have set the secular versus communal agenda for 2014 to polarize masses, will an alternative front make sense? Bureau Report, Times Now.